Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to download and install a Monster Hunter Stories 3 and Nintendo Switch 2. Okay, now the first step, okay, let me pay attention, okay, step by step. The first step is buy a Nintendo Switch 2. Okay, that's ridiculous. I know, I'm joking, sorry for that. Okay, step 2, open your Nintendo eShop. Okay, now can you see your Nintendo Switch eShop is here, and select your user. Now step 3, look in the game. Okay, find the game. Now is here, Monster Hunter Stories 3. Okay, now when you are find the game, you need of start your step 4. What is the step 4? You should be a good person, not spoil, no rat kid, and buy the game. You need buy the game, you need pay for the game. You need to understand, if you don't have money, you don't can play the game. Sorry for my English, sorry for the ugly truth, but it's true. Okay, things and either are either done right or not. sorry okay, again, things are either done right or not at all. Okay, nobody give anything away for free in his life. Okay, pay attention, nobody give anything away for free in his life. Now when you have money, can you buy the game and enjoy the game? Sorry if I broke your heart, but that's true. Okay, sorry for my bad English. I know it's awful, but I want trying to learn speak English. And this is all for this video. Have a good day, see you later, bro, and don't forget my like. Okay. Sorry.